Hi, welcome to Love, Live, Save. In today's video, I put together 10 really great clean supply deals that you can do this Saturday, April 8th at Dollar General. Now, I'm going to be speaking relatively fast in today's video because I have a total of 10 deal videos to sit down and record the voiceovers all at one time because I live in Ohio and we have impending weather coming and I don't want to miss out on posting these deals for you. So make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell because you're not going to want to miss out on any of the deals I put together. I have a total of 120 deals to share. But before I get started, if you're interested, I have a Patreon page where for a small fee, you can sign up for one of my Patreon memberships and gain access to things like my complete couponing deals list every week that you can either print off or download. And I have 120 deals all ready to go in one nice, neat and file for you. If you're interested, I have all the information down in the video description for you. So let's get started. For our first cleaning supplies deal, you're going to want to grab 3 bags of Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets, 1 Swiffer duster starter kit, and 2 bottles of Palmolive dish soap. Before coupons, our total retail value comes at $26.35. And then after all coupons, and of course that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon, we have $15 worth of coupons here. So that brings our total out of pocket down to just $11.35 plus tax, or a 57% off savings. For our second cleaning supplies deal, you're going to want to grab 1 200-count box of Game Dryer sheets, 1 bottle of Lysol laundry sanitizer. Kind of bummed we don't have a better coupon for this Lysol laundry sanitizer, but, you know, we do what we can and we try to make the best of it. Grab 1 bottle of Gain fabric softener and 1 bottle of extra laundry detergent. We get a total retail value of $25.75, and then we have $11 worth of coupons, so that brings our total out of pocket down to just $14.75 plus tax, or a 43% off savings. If you're like me and you're getting really low on your laundry pods, you're going to absolutely love Clean Supplies deal number 3. Grab 1 bag of Tide Simply pods, 1 smaller size bag of regular Tide pods, 1 small bag of Gain Flings, 1 of the bigger bags of Gain Flings, 2 bottles of Palmolive dish soap, and 1 Febreze small spaces. Before coupons, our total retail value comes at $30.25. I know it's a little high, but we got a lot of coupons. We have $16.30 worth of digital coupons. So that brings our total out of pocket down to just $13.95 plus tax, or a 54% off savings. I do believe this is the fastest I've ever done any of my deal voiceovers, but I'm trying really hard to get all the deals out. I have, like I said, 10 deal videos, and I don't want to risk anything happening so that I can't get these deals posted. So I'm planning for the worst case scenario in case the POWER goes out. I can't say the word out loud because if I do, it's going to happen. So I'm trying really hard to get all these deals posted for you. So for our fourth cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 box of Crest toothpaste, 2 bottles of Pine Sol cleaner, 1 big bag of Tide Pods, 1 of the Lysol all-purpose cleaners, and 1 of the Airwick plugins. Before coupons, our total retail value comes at $26.30, and then we have $12.50 worth of digital coupons. So that brings our total out of pocket down to just $13.80 plus tax, or a 48% off savings. Don't forget to hit the like button if you are enjoying today's deal video. It really goes a long way to help support my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know which of the deal videos is your favorite, or if you have any couponing questions, I would love to help you. I respond to all of my questions down in the comments. So for our 5th deal, grab 2 of the Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays, by far one of my favorite coupons we got this week, 1 of the $4 size bottles of Clorox bleach, 2 of the Lysol all-purpose cleaners, 1 tub of Lysol wipes, and then 1 of the Febreze small spaces. Before coupons, our total retail value comes at $27.25. We have $15.30 worth of digital coupons with this deal, so that brings our total out of pocket down to just $11.95 plus tax, or a 56% off savings. Not bad when you consider we very rarely get coupons for the bleach. I'm super excited about this deal. Next up, in deal number 6, we're going to stock up on some really great air fresheners. Grab 1 of the Airwick plugins, 2 of the Airwick Essential Mist refills, a Airwick Essential Mist starter kit, and 2 bottles of Palmolive dish soap. This is my other favorite coupon of the week. Before coupons, our total retail value comes at $33.25, but we have $21.50 worth of digital coupons. So that brings our total out of pocket down to just $11.75 plus tax, or a 65% off savings. This is a really great one to replenish your stockpile. I don't know about you, but I'm getting really low on my dish cleaning supplies in my stockpile, so we're going to try deal number 7. Grab 2 bottles of Ajax dish soap, 2 of the Finish Jet Dry cleaners, 1 bottle of Gain fabric softener, and 1 of the smaller size bottles of Gain laundry detergent. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $28.40, and then we have $15.75 worth of digital coupons. So that brings our total out of pocket down to just $12.65 plus tax, or a 55% off savings. Next up, for deal number 8, we're going to grab one of the smaller size bags of Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets, the ones that are $4.45 a bag, 1 of these Swiffer Wet Jet refills with Gain, 2, well, actually, now that I think about it, it can be any of the Swiffer Wet Jets refills. Just make sure the coupon attaches. Then grab 2 bottles of Mr. Clean Clean Freak spray and 1 of the 2-count packs of Oral-B toothbrushes. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.45, and then we have $16.50 worth of digital coupons. So that brings our total out of pocket all the way down to just $8.95 plus tax, or a 65% off savings. This deal is a really good beginner-friendly deal because there's not a lot to it. Now, I was going to say that deal number 8 was my favorite couponing deal in this video today, but I'm not going to lie. I absolutely love deal number 9. For this deal, grab one of the Airwick plugins, 1 bottle of Gain laundry detergent, 1 bottle of Gain fabric softener, and then 3 bags of those Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.60. We have $15 worth of digital coupons. So our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.60 plus tax, or a 59% off savings. Now I have a quick question for you. With all the dishwasher tablets that I've been working into my deals lately, I want to know, leave me a comment down below and let me know which is your favorite brand of dishwasher tablets. I am personally a big fan of the Finish ones, and currently I only have Cascade in my stockpile, so I want to replenish, but I'm curious to know, what is your go-to favorite brand? For our 10th cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 box of Crest toothpaste, 2 bottles of Palmolive dish soap, 1 of the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits, 1 of the Tide Simply Pods. I'm so excited that coupon came back. We haven't seen it in forever. And then 1 of the Febreze plugins. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $28.10. We have $18.80 worth of digital coupons. So that brings our total out of pocket down to just $9.30 plus tax, or a 67% off savings. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And as always, I hope it helps you to save a lot of money for your family this week. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love for you to give that subscribe button a nice little love tap. I am working on a rather large subscriber goal for 2023. I am hustling my hardest to push out as much couponing content. So I would love for you to join our little Love Live Save couponing community, and then turn on the notification bell as well. That way, when I post any of my future deal videos, of which this week I have a total of 12 videos, I believe, you'll be one of the first people to know about it, and you'll receive a notification and you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.